Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 8b, in which we will practice Ihdina as-Sirat al-Mustaqim. Tajweed is to recite Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat and other rules of recitation, that is qawaid. Let's take first Tajweed tip number 10. During practice, you may be exaggerating makharij for the sake of learning and getting control on those makharij, but make sure that you don't do it in normal recitation. For example, don't say Iyyaka na'budu. Don't do too much of any makharij. Just look at the famous qaris and follow them. So let us take this verse. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Ihdina. Don't say idina. Okay, again Hamza should be very clear and har sound also should be very clear. So repeat after me. Let's take the word ihdina, 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 ihdina. When you join that word with the next one, you don't say ihdina sirat, you say ihdina sirat. Anyway, let's focus on now sirat. Sa is very thick and high. You remember that? Very thick and high. And Ra is thick. This is low. Ra is thick. So Si. It's not Si. It is Si. And this is Ra. Okay. It's not Ra. Sira. No. Ra. It's thick. And also it's not English Ra. No. Ra. With low frequency. And Ta is again very thick and high. Okay. Si. Ra. Ta. So when we do the syllable practice, you can remember these signs so that it is easy for you to remember that this is very thick and high, this is thick and this is high. So can you repeat after me 3 times? Si, 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 Si. Ra, 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 Ra. Ta, 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 Ta. I am moving by these hands, this TPI, only when I do the syllables. When I read the word, I don't. You should not. Okay? And also in qira, you should not. So, sirata, 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 sirata. Now let's join. Ihdina sirata, ihdina sirata, ihdina sirata, ihdina sirata. Al-Mustaqim. Let's take Mustaqim. Don't say Mus. It is Mus. Seen is thin. Okay. And low sounding. And Qim. Don't say Khim. And don't say Qim. It is Qim. Repeat after me 3 times. Qim. 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 Mustaqim. 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 Let's take the verse. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Feel it. We are making dua here. If you do that, your recitation also will improve. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.